What's going on, everybody? Welcome to the first ever POV ride on this channel and first video we're posting on this channel. I'm gonna skip all the introductions and everything. We'll do a little Q&A at another time if you guys are curious. This is not my first rodeo doing content creation, but one of the very first doing this type of content creation, moto vlogging. So tonight we are going to be riding. It's just gonna be me. This is a solo POV ride. We got this bike out tonight. This is my 2022 BMW S1000rr. Usually it's between this and my daily, which is a CBR 600. It's either between those two bikes, but tonight we're taking the big boy out. We got some shots, got some reels that I want to shoot, got some content that I want to make, so therefore I'm super excited. Let's get a cold start on this bad boy. Can hear, it is quite loud. I haven't gotten a full system exhaust for it yet, nor have I gotten a slip on, so therefore I literally just straight pipe this thing. But without further ado, we're gonna let the bike warm up and then we're gonna go to Best Buy because I need to grab a cable. Hot take, guys, I completely forgot, we need gas. We're running on 70 miles, so we're gonna hit up Costco, we're going to refuel, and then we'll head over to Best Buy. Alright guys, gas is grabbed. Let's get back on the road. Time to do a speed run to Best Buy. Oh no guys, we may be a little late. I'm gonna see if I could still get in. Are you guys still open or?
Yeah, closed.
Oh, okay, never mind then. Casey?
Yeah,
what's up, man?
Oh, when'd you get a motorcycle, bro?
I had one for a long time. Brock!
How's it going?
What's up, man? I thought I was gonna make it in time, I didn't realize.
Yeah, dude.
Yeah, okay. Full circle, me and him are working together. How's the security good going? So last day. Really? Working here. Yeah, it's the best time right now. Oh, you're officially transferred right now? Were the company not good enough for? Not getting my hours and my boss's shit, so. Is it? Shit? Okay, well, at least you guys can work together now. I know, dude.
It's perfect weather to be riding, dude. That's...
It is. It's not even
great.
too bad out right now.
Such a beautiful bike.
Thank you. Yeah. I didn't know which one to take today, so I was just like, I'm gonna film some content, get out and
That
about.
must be crazy to not know. Oh, what bike should I take today, bro? That's crazy. All right, well, safe rides, bro.
For sure, man. I'll catch you around.
Yes, sir. Peace.
Peace. Oh, it's always good seeing the boys. I didn't expect to run into both of them. I thought I was gonna make it in time. I didn't realize it closed at 8. I thought it was 9. So no charging cable tonight. We're gonna have to make another errand run tomorrow. But for now, let's go get some B-rolls of this beauty. You know, guys, it's nice and convenient too, because the Best Buy that my boys work at is right next to a Barnes & Noble. Should we run in there and just say what's up to the book talk girls? I'm kidding. My girlfriend would kill me. All right, anyways, guys, on to the next location. We're gonna shoot some B-rolls now. All right, guys, no highway. We're cruising down the main strip. Why not? Let's go through downtown. Alright guys, we made it. We're on top of one of the parking garages. We got a Z over there. We've got a couple cars over there all the way up. Everybody's using this parking garage. It's a new one that's just been built. Nice little view. Bike looks phenomenal. Nice backdrop. So we're gonna get some B-rolls and you guys will get some behind the scenes footage on how I film my reels. Sorry guys, getting a little bit close to the camera angle there, but as you can see, they turn out pretty well. And then obviously that's just a raw edit. We're gonna do a full edit eventually, but that's how I kind of film. But other than that, I'm gonna take a couple more pictures, couple more shots. I can actually show you some of the pictures. Perfect. Look at that, guys. Photography on point. That's a raw picture that I haven't edited yet. So anyways, that's how it is. That's how I do my shots, my reels. And we're gonna get a couple more just in case we have options to choose from. After that, we're gonna ride back home because apparently the PD helicopter is out tonight and I don't want anything to do with it. So we're gonna get out of here, get a couple more shots, and then yeah. That concludes our evening POV solo ride. We failed at getting the cable, but we got some good stuff, and you guys got some content out of it. This is my first video, so I'm trying to keep it short and simple. Other than that, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the ride. Be sure to subscribe. Be sure to like. And of course, hit that notification bell. Follow me on social media. I'm on TikTok and Instagram. I'm always active on there. I post minimum 1 to 2 times a week, so you guys will see a lot of stuff. Other than that, I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.